everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this is Mommy V of Edvi and Arya. Today's vlog is all about Polka plant. Scientific name is Hypoestes phyllostachya. So I'm interested to know how best to propagate this plant and which propagation method is faster and better. Is it propagation through water or through soil? So you'll see at the end of the video which one is better. So I'll do both. As you can see, yung aking polka dot plant is medyo leggy na. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prune it. So for the cuttings, you can take any part of the plant, but the length should be at least around 3 inches long, and just remove the leaves at the bottom. Ito yung mga cuttings na nakuha ko. So I'll just going to clean it up, and then I'm going to group them into two. A half we will use for our water propagation, and the other one we will directly plant sa soil. So let's see which one of them will propagate faster. So I'll use this pot for our water propagation. This one for our soil, so I'm just using loam soil. Let's check the result after a week. So which one of these two will propagate faster? So I'll keep you updated, guys.
Hi guys, I'll give you an update regarding our propagation for our polka dot plant. So this one is through loam soil. So this is after a week, after 7 days. So nakita niyo siya healthy. So that means rooted na rin siya. And this one is through water. So water naman, very rare na magplanta. And as you can see, may roots na rin siya. Not all kasi like this one, wala pa. Pero karamihan, there, rooted na siya. So this is after 1 week. Ito palabas pa lang. But the rest are rooted na. There. You can see those. They look healthy. So this one is doing good. Pwede na itong ilipat. So sa soil, mukhang healthy din siya. So after 7 days, both of them are doing good. Rooted na rin. So let's try. Walang try na isa. See? Parang mas mabilis sa lupa. Ganda ng roots niya. This one wala pa. Sugot lang tayo ng konti. So this one ang ganda ng roots. Ang kapal. Isa pa. Slowly. Yeah. Hindi ko natatanggalin yung lahat para hindi lang yung stress. But it looks like mas maganda yung root sa soil kesa sa water. Pareho lang. See, this one on the right is rooted through water. This one is rooted through soil. So meron din sa water na hindi pa nag-root. Sa soil, ganun din, like this one. This is the soil. But if you're going to look at the plant, okay naman siya. Hindi rin siya lanta. So this one. So this one, sa right, are rooted through water. This one sa left, rooted through soil. So both of them looks healthy. So for me, you can just choose which one is easier for you. Diretso siya sa lupa or diretso siya sa water. Propagated through water first. So at least both of them are successful. And after a week, both of them rooted. So there are just a few na di pa nag-root but may papalabas na rin. And all of them are healthy. So thumbs up, water or soil. So itatanong ko sa lupa yung rooted na. So this is our polka dot plant. Propagation through water and through soil. Though I use loam soil lang. This is the mother plant. So tignan niyo yung mga kinat ko. Like this one. Ayan o, fresh cut. Tapos sinubuan siya sa gilid. Ayan o, ang bilis din niyang mag-grow. This one is another cutting. I cut it here. Tapos sinubuan siya sa gilid. Dami na ring dahon. Yan, this one. Cut here. Ayun o, dami niyang leaves. This one too. I cut it here. Ayan. And then, may mga baby leaves na siya. So, tanan! So, that's our polka dot plant. So, that's all guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something from me. So thanks for watching and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye everyone.